Hi, my name is Charlyn Ware, and I'm a dietitian with SIU Med School. Today we're going to talk about asparagus. This is one of my favorite spring vegetables. Right now is the perfect time to get fresh asparagus because it's grown around here and it's one of those seasonal vegetable crops that there's a little bit cheaper right now because it's fresh. So I've got a couple of ways to show you what to do with asparagus. And the first thing is, how do we clean it? So we want to rinse it off real good. And then what you do is simply snap the stalk in two. And it sort of naturally does that. So you just take it and you can kind of just feel it. So it's not hard at all. And then what we're going to do with our first thing, we're going to blanch it, and we're going to plunge it in cold water. So I've just got boiling water. I'm going to pop it in there. We're going to blanch it. What that blanching does is just bring out the color. You don't want to do it so long that it's going to be mushy, and that's why you then plunge it in the ice water. So a couple of minutes in there, that's all you need. You will see it go from just this kind of a light green to a very vibrant green, and then we're going to use that in a veggie tray. So instead of buying a veggie tray, we can just do it ourselves. So this is ready to go now. I'm going to take it out of my boiling water. Can you see the difference in that color? Amazing. And we're going to plunge it in ice water. Just a little bit of ice, some water, just to stop the action of that cooking. And then what we're going to do with that, again, is we're going to let it get cold. So we're going to mix that around a little bit. So we're stopping the action of that cooking. And it's all ready to go. It's still crisp tender, which is exactly what you want. And we're going to put it on our veggie tray. So I'm going to set it over here for just a minute. And in the meanwhile, what can we do with what's another thing we could do with our asparagus? Well, how about sauteing it? So I've just got a pan. Of course, you could do it on the grill too. Nothing better than fresh asparagus on the grill. I'm going to saute it in some garlic olive oil. You know, olive oil is really heart healthy for us. So we're just going to put about a teaspoon or two of olive oil. And then we're going to, again, I've already cleaned my asparagus. We're going to put it in here and just saute it. So a little bit of, you hear a little bit of snap, crackle, pop, which is fine. But we're going to saute it. Maybe a lot of snap, crackle, pop. That's okay too. All right. But we just want to get it so it's not, you can't even, too hard to chew. You want it to be just right. This is going to get really nice. I like to use a little, I've got a garlic pepper seasoning. So we're just going to season it a little bit with that. You can also put some fresh ground pepper on if you like. And another really good thing to put on it is just a little bit of lemon juice. It doesn't take much, but just a tiny bit of that lemon juice, which brings out the flavor as well. So you can see this took maybe 1-2 minutes, and I'm going to take it up, and you've got asparagus ready for tonight's dinner. So healthy, good fiber, full of your vitamins, and a wonderful dish. Enjoy.